welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, if you guys are already following me on TikTok, then you guys will know I posted about this and it literally went viral. The video probably at this point has like close to 1 million views, which is insane. But I saw the new IKEA collection because my cousin DM'd it to me, so shout out to her. I absolutely love her. I was like, oh my god, this is like perfect and so my style. Like, she just obviously knew that too. So I like literally cried a little bit and screamed because all the new IKEA stuff is so perfect, and when I went the other day it was not in store. So we are going to jump right into it. This stuff does come out in February, which is a few days away. However, some locations and different countries already have it online and in store, so make sure you like run to your store and check it out. Okay, first and foremost, we're starting off with the new collection. I'll put the name on the screen here because I just don't want to butcher it at all. However, like, I usually am not like absolutely head over heels in love with these collections that they do, but this one is insane. Like, this is the first collection that I was like, I need every single piece in this collection. Like, it's so unique, it's so different. Some of it isn't even like my usual like neutral style, and I still think it's amazing. So the first thing being these champagne flute cup collection. I don't know exactly what comes with it. From the photo you can see here, there's a few different things that come in the collection. I need everything. I think this is the reason why, like, I ordered the other champagne glasses that they have last week and they never showed up. And I think this is why, because IKEA knew I needed these more. So that is the first thing that I saw that I was like, oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. The texturing on them, the ribbing, it's like a little bit thicker, like so beautiful. Very much so on trend, but just more of an elevated look compared to what we've been seeing with like the normal like ribbed glassware. All right, the next thing from this collection is this absolutely gorgeous mirror. It is like this beautiful rose gold color, but on top of it, it can be plugged in and it's a light. So it's a mirror, but it's really wall decor. Give me all of it. It really gives me like Xenon vibes. Do you guys know, like, have you guys seen Xenon, like that old school Disney movie? Like, that's the vibe that I'm getting from it, and I love it. Another perfect thing from the collection that I would definitely check out. This would look so cool in like a bedroom, or like if you have a hallway, like the end of your hallway. I just love it. And again, you guys know, usually I go for more of a neutral home decor piece, but this is amazing. All right, and the next thing that is absolutely totally out of character for me, but when I saw it, I was like, I need it and I need two, because I do love this orange rug. Like, I love it. I'm not into like decorating with much color. If you guys know, I'm a neutral girl at heart, but when I saw this, I was like, suddenly orange is my new favorite color. Like, orange is it. Like, orange is the new color. Like, we need this rug. But I want two because I do love what it looks like in orange. But hear me out. The shape of it is so cool. And if you don't want it to be orange, you can fabric dye it and make it a different color. So how beautiful would this look in like a chocolate brown or a black or a gray color if you wanted something a little bit more neutral and to tie into your space if that bold orange just doesn't match. But again, the orange is so beautiful, I'm like, I need two. I need one that I can turn a different color, and I need one in the orange, because that might just be like my pop of color for this summer coming up. Like, obsessed with that piece. Next up, there's like a bunch of different lighting options in this collection. So they've got like this round little wall light fixture ordeal going on. They've got an actual pendant hanging lamp that I saw, and then they have these actual like wall mounted lamps that are just so unique. I've never seen anything like this from a home decor collection, let alone this collection does not seem like it's from IKEA. This is like, I'm literally mind blown about this collection. Like, I just can't, my words don't even come out of my mouth properly. That is how just like insane I feel like this collection is. But all this lighting is a must have in my opinion. So cool. 10 out of 10 for all the different pieces. Bring this lighting into your home and really elevate the space. Make it look so expensive, so high end, so designer, like, just insane. All right, and then we have the donut storage, which again, I'm not into pieces like this usually, but they are so good, like so good. Especially the green, like minty colored little donut. I need it, I need it. It's gonna go in my bathroom. I'm gonna put little stuff in it, like my Q-tips, whatever. I'm gonna use it for storage. Like it is that cute, like I need it. And it comes in the glass orange or the, like I said, like kind of like a mintier color. However, if you don't like it as storage, the donut wall lamp is just so cool. Like it's so cute. You could use it in so many different ways too. If you have more of like a colorful, poppy, like workspace or like office, I feel like it would look cool in there. If you have like man cave space, you can totally make it work in there. Like so many different things, but it is like a very cool, unique piece. It obviously reminds me of a donut, but like that just makes it so cool. All right, this next item was already in my store. If you guys watched my last video, which was a shop with me in the store, this is a part of the spring collection. We've now moved on to the spring collection. This piece is already in stores. It's cool because it's an interchangeable lamp. So you can like switch the top and the bottom pieces essentially. I saw it in person. I do think it's really cool. Definitely not really my style, and it wasn't something like a must buy for me, but I did still want to mention it in this video because I think it would look cool in a lot of different spaces. I just personally don't have any space for something like this within my home. Next up is this screen. Now, if this looks familiar, they also offer this in a headboard. It comes in a bunch of different sizes as a headboard, but this screen is really cool. I feel like these screens are super hard to come by that aren't $1 million and that are actually like cool and unique looking. A couple months back, I was in the market for some screens like this. I could not find anything under $600 that looked like this. So the fact that IKEA has this now, I'm unsure about the price point just because a lot of the items are not online for me. I am in the United States, and unfortunately, at the time of me filming this, most of the items aren't available online, but a lot of people on TikTok did mention to me that if they went on their website in different countries, it's already available to purchase. So if you're wondering why I didn't say prices, I'm not too sure on the pricing, but I definitely know this piece is definitely less than $600. All right, next up is this orange vase. Now I feel like this was actually one of the items that is online that was part of the spring collection and that I did see in stores. I know I saw the clear one because that's a part of the old collection, but they did bring it in this orange color. Orange is like the new color that I see IKEA doing, and honestly, I'm here for it. Not a usual color that I would go for, but I've been seeing a lot of orange recently, and it looks good. I definitely think it can like be mixed into the home and look very like luxury and high-end, surprisingly enough. Next up is something super simple. Just gonna mention it really quickly because I did get a lot of questions about it on TikTok. This one is actually in stock already, and it's just this neutral wall hanging. I did see it in the store. I wouldn't say it's like super large or anything. It's about like this size. So if you're in the market for something like that, cool. I did gravitate towards it immediately because it's so like me 5 years ago. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, tell me that that wall hanging doesn't scream like me 5 years ago. Like that would have been something I would have purchased immediately, but it is still really cute, very good neutral to bring into the home, and a very affordable wall decor piece. I believe this was like around 20 or 30 bucks. Next, the star of the show, which a lot of people are saying this is already sold out. Which is insane. It is this sectional that they did. The green is insane, but it also comes in a neutral. They just didn't photograph the neutral color for the spring like collection launch. So yeah, you can get it in this neutral color and a green color. Apparently all of the pieces are modular, so you buy piece by piece, and then they are also storage. So they lift up and you can put stuff in them. Don't know how comfortable it is. I haven't tried it out for myself, but I do think it is a really cool option, and I'm loving the green. Loving the green. Another orange piece. I told you we're seeing a trend here. This chair is like one of the IKEA staples, right? This clear chair. We've all pretty much owned it, right? Is it just me? Like I've owned this chair at some point, right? But seeing it in the orange color, I was like, wow, that is insane. Like if you paired those orange chairs with that white round dining table that they have at IKEA, you guys know what I'm talking about, that like perfect little round one. That would be such a cute, affordable dining room option. Like someone please do that. Like please do that. Because I think it would look so good pairing those two together. Like love it. But these orange chairs are super cool. I am like dying to figure out where I can buy them and put them. Like they don't match, but I want them. All right, this next little iridescent vase is also very cute, and I do believe that I saw this in my local IKEA as well. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I believe I saw it in my shop with me. I'm not sure if I included it. I can't be sure. So I know I saw it at the store, not sure if it's in that video, but this is a new vase. It's like very iridescent, very cute. Yeah, everyone was like, it's 30 bucks. Like, why is it $30? IKEA did raise all their prices. They sent an email out about it if you guys didn't know. And yes, I'm just as shocked as you guys are to see that some of the price increases are insane. I just feel like unfortunately the cost of everything has gone up. It's not just IKEA, home goods. The prices in home goods are crazy. Like some of the stuff is really expensive. Just, you would never see pieces that expensive there too. I know that their cost of goods and everything, supplies, has gone up as well. So I still love IKEA, but yes, I do agree with you guys. It's getting a little expensive. All right, next up, this besta is insane. I literally sent this to my friend. I was like, you need this. This is your style. You need it. Go buy it, please. I don't have any room for it. Get it. It is the most beautiful, just the most beautiful blue color. Like, how beautiful and pretty is this color? Like, I don't understand. And it's a besta storage piece, which I knew that this was a thing, but I've never seen it. And I think it's more attractive to me in this color, but it's insane. And I saw that they actually did this storage with the wood doors and the lights at the top. That, I was like, I think I need that. Like, I think that is my solution to all of my problems. I don't have enough storage where I am right now. I'm hoping to move soon. Fingers crossed, please. But in the meantime, I really do need storage space. And I feel like that is the perfect answer to that. So if you're like me and you just need some extra storage space that looks good, that is a piece to definitely check out. You guys know I love the Besta collection. I think it's one of the best things that IKEA ever came up with. All right, next up is this cute little table lamp. Not really too much to say about other than it is absolutely adorable, perfect neutral. Get 2 of these, put them on your nightstands in your bedroom, and I think that that would look absolutely gorgeous. I love how they have it here, styled just 1 on a table. Just perfect. All right, next up, I don't know why this is so far along in the video, but this is like the first thing that I saw that I was like, I will be purchasing this. Like, this is from the spring collection and I will be purchasing it. Like, I need it. This lamp is super cool, very unique. It reminds me of a lamp that I had a while back that kind of looked like this. You just put it in the corner and it illuminates like the wall. But this one is just like so cool, very unique. It has a nice shape. So I definitely want to grab that for my bedroom. I think it will look so cool. I feel like it's gonna sell out because that's one of the comments that people were commenting. They were like, wait, the lamp, the lamp, the lamp. Yeah, the lamp is perfect. We all need one. All right, and then lastly is this soap dispenser, which this was like so controversial and I don't understand. That's clear soap. It's not hand sanitizer, it's clear soap. They make clear soap. I don't know why so many people haven't seen that before. It's a soap dispenser and that is clear soap in it. And I think it's beautiful. I think it's super trendy and I think it's really nice. And if you wanted to put hand sanitizer in it, you could totally do that too. That would actually be cool. Like, if you want to eliminate your ugly hand sanitizer bottle and put your hand sanitizer in there, perfect option for you. All right, you guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you guys from the new IKEA collections. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try and put links down below, but as I mentioned at the time of me filming this, there are not many links from the United States site. But if you guys see that the links are starting to pop up on the website for the US or anywhere, you can be helpful and leave them in the comments down below to help everyone out who is watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!